Hello sweeties, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a faux loc. Soft lock, faux loc. I'm going to twist it from the root a little bit and I'm going to unravel it because remember all the hair is going this way. So I'm going to take my scissors and because I unraveled it, there is a small portion of hair that I just unraveled that's here and a small portion that's here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut that. And you can kind of pull the hair through. You can start going like this if you like. But I like to go like this and loosen the wrapping up a little bit. And just start taking it down, unraveling it, just like so. Because the stylist wrapped it this way, so you want to undo that wrapping by going the opposite direction. And at this point, you can kind of sometimes pull it, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of that exposed hair. I'm gonna take a little bit of the exposed hair that's here, and I'm gonna just pull the rest of the hair out. Now you definitely just don't wanna cut the locks because the hair is down here, but you can kind of see where it's hooked on at. You can kind of see where the loop is. You can kind of put your fingers through it sometimes, or it'll just be like an opening. Put this through to the other end. You can always see that your hair is still intact, and you wanna, and like so, we just remove the faux loc. And you can see here that we didn't cut any of the hair. No hair was cut. And you can see here that the hair is cut. I mean, you can see here that the hair is not really cut. All we have left is red hair pieces from the lock, but none of her real hair was cut. Then you can proceed to take out your hair. The easier way will go like this. Take the pieces and go up like that. Pieces and go like that. Pieces go like that. Go like that. And take your comb and get all of that out. I don't suggest going like that. No. Just comb for it. And voila, done.